year is a good year. It is an optimistic year, and it is an engaging year as well. Despite many challenges, this year has proven to be a good year, an optimistic year. Without a doubt, the changing world economic order, especially the US-China trade war, has had a major impact on the global economy. Countries around the world are struggling to adjust. And although NCHEN's 2019 Business Climate Survey reflects these challenges and uncertainties, major US companies also highlighted Taiwan's innovation, talented workforce, and potential for market expansion. These advantages are not coincidence. They are the result of Taiwan's freeness and openness, which has allowed good talent to thrive, as well as our respect and protection for intellectual property rights. Even more encouraging is the fact that we are beginning to see results from our hard work over the past 3 years. For 3 years, we have worked to develop a new economic development model for Taiwan. We have reduced our over-dependency on production bases in China. We have strengthened our partnership with the US and other major economies. We have begun to change our overall economic structure and encourage industrial innovation.
之后还会邀请其他的总统参选人来这边跟我们分享一些他的观念吗？
那对我们是想邀请到那个主要的政党的候选人，这是很重要，主要的候选人。
对于美商来讲，会不会有冲突？那第二个问题是说，
我觉得不应该有冲突。
那你觉得台湾的投资环境，它目前是已经在往上冲的阶段，还是说它已经饱和了？
现在台湾的投资的环境是很好，应该更好。
还有成长
的空间。对，还有成长的空间。
所以美国商会也有注意到，
美商在中国有受到那个关税的影响，是不是也有可能间接的加强了那个美国的这个企业在台湾的投资？
这个我们也没有立场。